If you or someone you know has lost your home due to a tornado, hurricane, wildfire, flood, or any other disaster, I have something to share with you that you may not have heard. First, my heart goes out to you for the trauma and devastation you've experienced. I wish that no one ever had to experience such a thing in their lives. Right now, probably most people are talking with you about how to replace your home. But very few people are talking with you about how to rebuild your future, and maybe, possibly, rebuilding it even better than before. What if this difficult moment in your life became the time you learned how to take better control of your money and your future wealth, better than you have ever known before? I started designing and building houses over 20 years ago when I was pushed into it because of an unfortunate circumstance. And I am so grateful that that happened, because now my life has taken a different trajectory and I am so much better off. I want to share with you how I did that and how you can do it too. Most women don't realize that they can learn how the building process works, how they can take charge of the design of the new structure so that it is far more affordable, make decisions that protect their money, contract with subcontractors, and then along the way, guard every decision that happens so that you make the best use of the dollars you have for now and for the future. You don't need to know everything today. You just need to know that you have options and you need to know what's possible. I teach women how to build their own homes through online courses, group coaching at a distance, one-on-one coaching, and even hands-on experience when I'm doing a build. I've created a free training for you to just take a look at the possibilities. It's called 7 Steps to Start Building, and it can be found at the address on your screen, www.lifecraft.com, 7 Steps. Please take a look at that. It's a workbook, a video, and an assessment to see where you are right now. Included in that information is a way to reach me, to talk with me about where you are right now. I'm Leah Craft Christine, and I look forward to meeting you.